Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please support us so we can continue to produce great videos for you and others. Give us a like and subscribe to this channel. The ultimate guide to replacing your car's door lock relay. Ever tried to unlock your car and found the door stubbornly refusing to cooperate? The culprit might be a faulty car door lock relay. This little component plays a big role in ensuring your car doors lock and unlock smoothly. If you're experiencing issues, you're not alone, and it's a problem that can be fixed without too much hassle. In this video, you'll learn the signs of a failing relay, steps to replace it, and tips to keep your car's locking system working perfectly. Dive in to save time and money, and avoid the frustration of being locked out. Understanding car door lock relay. Car door lock relays play a crucial role in the locking system of modern vehicles. Let's delve into the basics to unravel what exactly a car door lock relay is and how it operates. What is a car door lock relay? A car door lock relay is a small but mighty component of a vehicle's electrical system. It acts as a switch that controls the flow of electricity to the door lock actuators. Essentially, it serves as the brain behind the locking and unlocking of your car doors. Think of it as the master orchestrator that commands the entire locking mechanism to function seamlessly. Function of the car door lock relay. The primary function of a car door lock relay is to receive signals from the door lock switch or the key fob and translate them into electrical commands. When you press the lock or unlock button, the relay springs into action, sending the necessary electric current to the door lock actuators. These actuators are responsible for physically locking or unlocking the doors. In essence, the car door lock relay acts as a gatekeeper, determining when and how the doors should be secured or opened. By understanding the pivotal role of the car door lock relay, you gain insight into the intricate dance of electrical signals and mechanical movements that ensure your vehicle's security. Next time you hit that lock button, remember the unsung hero working behind the scenes to keep your car safe and sound. Signs of a faulty car door lock relay. Is your car door lock not working as smoothly as it should be? It might be a sign of a faulty car door lock relay. Let's look at some common indicators that your car door lock relay may need attention. Unresponsive door locks. One of the primary signs of a faulty car door lock relay is unresponsive door locks. When you press the lock or unlock button on your key fob or inside the vehicle, and nothing happens, it could indicate an issue with the relay. If you notice that your door locks are not engaging or disengaging as they usually do, it's time to investigate the relay's functionality. Clicking sound while operating the locks. Another telltale sign of a potential problem with the car door lock relay is a clicking sound when you operate the locks. If you hear a repetitive clicking noise coming from the door panel every time you try to lock or unlock the doors, it could signal an electrical issue within the relay. This clicking sound is often a clear sign that the relay is struggling to function correctly. Inconsistent locking and unlocking. Inconsistent locking and unlocking of your car doors can also point to a faulty door lock relay. If you experience situations where the doors lock but do not unlock or vice versa, without any pattern or predictability, it is likely that the relay is faulty. Such inconsistencies in the locking mechanism can be frustrating and inconvenient but can be resolved by addressing the relay issue promptly. Keeping an eye out for these signs can help you identify a faulty car door lock relay early on, preventing any further complications with your vehicle's locking system. If you notice any of these indicators, it's recommended to have a professional mechanic inspect and replace the faulty relay to ensure your car's security and functionality. Diagnosing a faulty car door lock relay. When your car door lock is acting up, it could be due to a faulty car door lock relay. Diagnosing this issue is crucial to ensure the security and convenience of your vehicle. Two common methods to troubleshoot a faulty car door lock relay include checking the fuse and testing the relay with a multimeter. Checking the fuse. The first step in diagnosing a faulty car door lock relay is to check the fuse. The fuse box, usually located under the dashboard or in the engine compartment, contains various fuses that protect electrical components. A blown fuse can disrupt the operation of the car door lock relay, causing issues with locking and unlocking the doors. To check the fuse, locate the fuse box, identify the door lock fuse, and visually inspect it to see if the metal strip inside is intact. If the fuse appears blown or damaged, replace it with a new one of the same amperage rating. Testing the relay with a multimeter. Another method to diagnose a faulty car door lock relay is by testing it with a multimeter. A multimeter is a handy tool that measures electrical voltage, current, and resistance. To test the relay, use the multimeter to check for continuity, which indicates whether the electrical current can flow through the relay. Start by disconnecting the relay and setting the multimeter to the continuity test mode. Touch one probe to the input terminal and the other probe to the output terminal of the relay. If the multimeter beeps or shows a reading close to 0 ohms, the relay is functioning correctly. However, if there is no continuity, the relay is faulty and needs to be replaced. By systematically checking the fuse and testing the relay with a multimeter, you can pinpoint the source of the car door lock issue and take the necessary steps to resolve it effectively. If these DIY methods do not solve the problem, consider seeking professional assistance to ensure the proper functioning of your car door lock relay. That's all for part 1. Now you know how to prepare and remove the old door lock relay. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll walk you through installing the new relay and testing it to ensure everything works perfectly. See you in the next video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.